May pera ka nga, wala ka namang kasalo sa buhay. But lastly, hack your future with enoughness. Hindi ka pwedeng pumirmi lang. Kailangan part ng buhay mo is to make sure that you live a life wherein you understand you are a money machine. And if money is what we want, entrepreneurs, you have to take care of the money machine so you feel enough. May pera or wala, dahil tinrabaho mo yung sarili mo, by making sure every day you take care of your physical body. We always say health is wealth. Bakit ang dami ko ng pera? I don't feel wealthy simply because you have not taken care of your health. Number 2, enoughness also means start making sure that you take care of your relationship with yourself, because your relationship with self will translate with your relationship with other people. May pera ka nga, wala ka namang kasalo sa buhay kasi lahat nawala na, nakakalungkot din yun. Again, enoughness is what we want more than the money. But number 3, you need to start taking care of what do I need to grow myself every day to learn and be good at what I do with the chosen career, chosen job, or chosen business that I am the best of who I am, because money will just follow. 3 areas you need to start working on your enoughness, health, relationship, and again, growth mindset that will translate to the amount of money that you want, so that umulan, bumagyo, bumaha, okay ka, kahit tanggalin lahat to sa'yo, kasi yung success mo, never about position, never about business, never about other people, but it's all about you that you carry on a day-to-day basis.
That's life-changing, Coach.